Hi, in this video, we will talk about another strategy for cracking the IELTS listening exam. We know that we have to listen to a lot of details for answering the questions that we're required to answer. For that, imagine that you go to a grocery store in a hurry. Now, because you're in a hurry, you will go to the exact specific locations where you know you will find that material. Similarly, while you're listening to an audio, you listen to the exact specific pieces of information that you know need to be answered in your test. You will ignore all the irrelevant questions and you will narrow down your search to get to the exact point. Now, in the test, for example, you get a question as to how old. In the listening test, then, you will hear four pieces of information with phrases and words like how old, or how many years, or this much specific, this many specific years, or date of birth. That will get you to the answer of how old. Next, how you can practice for this test is you can listen to weather reports and news reports or even videos of topics of your choice and note down certain details that you think are very important related to the context. Another tip that you can use in your IELTS listening exam can be to skim through the question paper before taking the test and look for specific details that you need to answer, so that when you hear the audio, you will get to the exact location of what you need to answer. So this was another strategy, listening for details. This may not be a standalone strategy, which means that this strategy alone will not get you to answering all the questions, but can be one of the strategies that you may have to use simultaneously to answer all the questions. That was all for this video. Thank you.